Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
My name is Ondela Zibi. I'm the founder of Rapgen Health Solutions. Rapgen Health Solutions is a company that manufactures health products and cosmetics. Why did I start this business? I started this business in 2019. I'm a pharmacist by profession, so there are a lot of things that I've picked up in the pharmaceutical industry. One of them, the reason why I started manufacturing the cosmetic products is because my mother had a problem with diabetes, and I could tell from the hospital cases that people were getting amputated. They were not told what to eat, and their diabetes was not managed properly. So I discovered about moringa, which is a natural product, and ever since then the diabetic condition is being managed properly. From there, I also worked in government dealing with problems of skin lighteners, and people said that they are using skin lighteners due to the fact that they were having acne, they were having eczema, and they were having spots. That's when and if we know about skin lighteners, we know that they damage the skin and they cause irreversible side effects. So I decided to do more research on how people can use safer products which contain African botanicals. And we came up thus far with the charcoal soap for acne, and we have come up also with haliboma petroleum jelly, which is very effective for eczema. How can you get hold of us? You can get hold of us via social media at Rapgen Health Solutions, which is on Facebook, and our Instagram handle is Rapgen_health. From WhatsApp, you can get us on 082 774 6382. My name is Ondela. I'm a township entrepreneur.